The Earth's climate has always changed, but it's the speed of the current change that is worrying scientists. In the last 250 years, the planet has warmed by nearly 1 degree Celsius. If we continue on our current path, the temperature is predicted to rise by 3 degrees above the pre-industrial average by the end of the century. 3 degrees above average could transform the planet through a series of tipping points. The world will not have been as warm as this for at least 500,000 years. This rise in temperature will extend the dry season in the Amazon basin, leading to fires in the forest that could change the landscape there forever. This could potentially change weather patterns across the globe. Another tipping point scientists are concerned about is the possibility that an extra 3 degrees could release vast quantities of greenhouse gases which are currently locked up in frozen soils or permafrost. This band of permafrost spreads all the way from Alaska to Siberia, and we could potentially cause the release of 1,500 billion tons of carbon that is still locked up in those soils. Many scientists actually believe that 3 degrees is beyond the tipping point for Greenland too. Melting the underside of the ice sheet releases it into the sea, and because it was on the land originally, it would raise sea levels perhaps as much as 7 meters if you melted it all. That's a 23-foot rise which would change the geography of much of the world's coastline. A 3-degree warmer world would force us to respond with science on a planetary scale. For example, if we lost the polar ice caps in Greenland, we would need to recreate their reflective cooling effect. In hot parts of the world, people have long understood what's known as the albedo effect and painted their houses white to reflect the sunlight and keep them cool. This is something we might need to adopt for entire cities throughout the world. This may be what a city like London might eventually look like. Some scientists suggest that plants could be engineered to reflect sunlight. So if we whitened our towns and crops, about 1/3 of the warming that we are currently causing could be counteracted. But we will need even more extreme energy control measures to stop 3 degrees from becoming a reality.